Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix unknown USB device error in Windows. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand USB settings, click and expand USB selective suspend settings, change to disabled. Second method is edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click edit power options, change what the power buttons do, change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck turn on fast startup, click save changes. Third method is right click start button, click device manager. Click and expand universal serial bus controllers, right click unknown USB device, click uninstall device. After uninstall restart system. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.